Hey guys, Ben here from Woodworks, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this wall-mounted cherry and walnut MTSU logo. Now, I use my CNC on this project, so obviously if you don't have one, you can still do the exact same process just by hand. It's going to take extra work, but it won't be that much harder. I just got it up and running, so it was a great experience to be able to use it. This is for my sister for Christmas, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so today is December 21st. Christmas is coming up, and when this video comes out, it's probably gonna be way after Christmas because I take forever to edit videos. But my CNC is back there in the corner, and it's set up now. It's ready to go. 3D printed the whole thing in February. It's December now. It's just not working because it moved in May, and I'm lazy. So I'm gonna make an MTSU logo because my sister goes there, and it's gonna be a Christmas present. So let's get started. So here it is. This thing really turned out amazing, and it was a great opportunity for me to use my CNC. Now, I made that in February, and then we moved in May, and I just kind of tried to get it working, and I was confused, and then I sat down one day, got on my computer, read through the instructions again, and I missed a spot that literally told me exactly what to do. So I was just being kind of dumb, not paying attention, but my CNC is now up and running, and it just opens up a range of opportunities. So you'll be seeing that in a lot of other videos coming out, because it just lets me do so much cool stuff. So here's the MT that I made. Hope you guys enjoyed. I don't care what people say. Dad,
Yeah.
is this big microphone?
Yeah.
It's picking up all that.
Are you serious? Awesome.